Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Aries ngayong September 29, 2023 at 5:57 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So this is also called harvest moon kasi ito yung panahon ng pag-ani, no, or culmination ng mga nasimulan natin way back nung March 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets. Ayan, so this is for attraction of money, abundance, prosperity, love, intuition. Meron din tayong mga for protection, mga anti-evil eye, anti-inggit. And then meron din tayong for balancing your chakras. At meron din tayong mga intention oils, multi-purpose oils for setting your intentions. And then, meron din tayong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, lahat po yan available sa ating Shopee. Link on the description. Let's continue. Itong full moon in Aries is also a super moon, so malakas ang energy nito. Ang tema ng full moon in Aries is to let go, to release our ego na minsan kasi hindi naman kailangan nating ipaglaban lagi na tayo ay tama. Sabi nga, choose your battles. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na nasasayang lang yung energy natin sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga makakatulong sa atin, sa pag-unlad natin. Let's say, pinairal mo yung init ng ulo mo and hindi naman makakabuti sa'yo yon or doon sa tao na mapagbabalingan mo ng init ng ulo. Pwedeng magresulta lang yon ng problema or issues or conflict in the future. So, ang opportunity rito is to release any toxic situations na meron ka and pagkakaroon ng mas mature na pag-iisip, no, pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng emotions mo, na hindi ka dapat nagpapadalos-dalos, lalo na kapag medyo mataas yung emotions mo kasi ang Aries energy is about, yung ruled by Mars yan and Mars is about aggression, initiation, very fiery yung energy niyan. So ang goal dito is to embrace yung side mo na may mga pagkakataon talaga na medyo mataas yung energy mo when it comes to dealing with your emotions, lalo na kapag natitrigger ka. So that's why kailangan you need to control your energy, lalo na kung alam mo na panandalian lang yung emotion na yun, 'di ba? And then learning to surrender as well, na may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang makontrol at kung paiiralin natin yung init ng ulo, yung bugso ng damdamin, baka imbis na maayos ang isang problema, mas lalo lang magulo, 'di ba? And even sa pagte-take natin ng actions, minsan very impulsive tayo out of our emotions. So learn to stop, think, and reassess the situation bago tayo mag-take ng action. For you, Scorpio, the moon is in your 6th house. This is your health, your daily routine, your work. So if there is something na medyo toxic sa workplace mo that is already affecting your mental health, you may be releasing that connection, or parang iiwas ka doon, or yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magbabago ng career, ng trabaho, anything na is giving you stress, no? I think you're going to be focusing more on your health. Mas importante sa'yo yung iyong state of mind. Kasi meron tong opposition sa yung 12th house. This can also mean maaring merong work sa ibang bansa or somewhere malayo sa situation mo ngayon or sa lugar mo ngayon. You might be trying to give that opportunity, no? Yung work sa ibang bansa, and leave whatever you have right now na you feel na hindi appreciated, lalo na kung ikaw ay underpaid. You feel like it's not really giving you what you deserve, no? And then maari ring magkaroon ng challenging situation between you and your romantic partner or someone na malapit sa'yo, can be a family member or a friend, na against sa mga plano mo, no? Lalo na if it's affecting your career. Let's say, sa trabaho mo ngayon, things are very stressful, masyado nakakapagod, nakaka-apekto sa mental health mo, and gusto mo na mag-quit or maghanap ng ibang work, pero maaring yung loved one mo, yung family member mo, or yung romantic partner mo ay against doon. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng conflict between the two of you. Oh, 'di ba? Three of Swords and the Moon. So, ito yung mga suppressed feelings, no? I think meron kang i-erase na nararamdaman mo na you've been keeping it for a long time, na iniiwas mo na ilabas. Kinikimkim mo lang. But I think yung iba sa inyo, you will deal with it by finally releasing it, no? Expressing it, telling it to someone. Even if mag-create ng drama, or someone might feel pain or issues, no? You also have the 5 of Coins. I feel like there's a lot of pressure. Yung iba sa inyo, Scorpio, when it comes to your finances. So, alam mo yung tipo na, yes, yung work mo, malaking sweldo, or may nakukuha ka dyan na, an amount na okay naman, no, yung income mo doon. But, ang kapalit nun is stress or toxic situation, toxic environment. So, parang for you, trinay mo naman na pagtiisan, but I feel like ngayon, you are ready to let that go. You're going to take care of yourself, your mental health. See? You have the 10 of Swords. There's too much pressure na nakapaligid sa inyo, Scorpio. With the 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords, this is definitely ending what is burdening you. Parang meron kang i-let go, i-release na nakakapagpabigat ng kalooban mo. Some of you are overthinking a lot, or you've been thinking about a lot of issues na related sa trabaho, sa career, sa relationship mo, para naghalo-halo na. And somehow, it is affecting your mental health, and somehow, nagkakaroon ng conflict with some of your loved ones na nagkakaroon ng problema, medyo irritable ka. Kailangan kasi meron kang, kumbaga, kailangan mo ilabas yan. Kung ano man yung kinikimkim mo na sama ng loob, or yung pressure na nararamdaman mo for yourself dahil sa mga demands na binibigay sa'yo ng ibang tao. So, it's time for you to communicate what you really feel or how you really feel para maintindihan ka nila. Kasi minsan you're just taking it okay lang ng oo, pero deep within you are asking yourself, bakit mo tinatanggap yun, no? So, it's time for you to address that and release what is no longer serving your highest good. Anything toxic, it's time for you to release that. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.